this is the basic metering and allocation lah. As I mentioned just now, when we dealing with the custody transfer, I mean, when we sell the product to the customer, we will be having the type of the meter, the spec of the meter up to the custody transfer lah, because this will determine how much net the net of the crude that we send to the customer. So as you can see here, the liquid, the typical uncertainty in flow rate is 0.25%, and gas is 1%, something like that. So why I put metering and allocation here together, because it's actually related. Okay, as you can see here on my next left board here, imagine that this is the allocation that we wanted to perform to the A, B, C platform. For example, we wanted to understand how much the C platform is actually receiving the crude oil, and then these are the formula that we use lah. And it's also sometimes measured by the force balance. This is happen where, for example, A, B, C doesn't want to install the custody meter, probably because of the field life economy, probably because of the processing option, probably because of the marginal fee, because they think like it is very expensive to put the custody meter there, so they are okay to have a force balance. But believe me, by end of the day, these are the suffering field, because A and B, they will fight for the maximum allocation that they have. So at TCOT, we use the allocation by mass lah, by mass, not by volume, because the mass will be not having the shrink factor lah. Yeah? When we are allocating by mass, there is typically a no need for the shrink factor. So shrink factor usually relevant in volume-based allocation lah, where adjustments are made to account for the changes in volume due to the variation of temperature and pressure. But for the mass, it is not related lah. So so this is the full allocation basic lah. If we want, if let's say we have 5 feeder from offshore and 5 feeder coming from the different company, so they need to do the allocation to indicate how much that they get, how much this operator get, and sometimes there is a field that use the force balance. This is very marginal field, like 5 field that use the force balance, as I mentioned just now, and they conduct the sampling, they perform the mass by component. They do the sampling process from C1 and up to the C13, 14, if I cannot remember. So they go for the weight, they count it, they take a sample from the offshore, they compare it, then they do the allocation lah. So everything is now is on in the system. They just put the in the input and they run it, and they can give it to you how much the reconciliation factor, sorry, the RF, and then they can tell you how much that this field can get, this field can get. And after that, they will reconcile the meeting together with NPM as the host, and then they discuss, okay, they agree to take this amount, and if not, there will be some agreement or discussion that if they don't really happy with the amount of allocation that being allocated to them lah. Yes.